Look, the weather just changed. All at once. They broke that tree over there now. It must have been on this last leg anyway. It had to be on this last leg. Yeah. It's windy, but it's pretty windy. Looks like a lot of dust is here. Like Houston looks like we're getting ready to get a lot of rain. Like I got two headphones here. My biggest watermelon look like it may not make it. I see something brown on it. Right here. Something brown. I'm gonna let it stay on. I don't know. May not make it. And I'm not getting ready to look all in here with others. Just let it go. But this has been a mess right here. With all of this has been not good. Tree fell. Purple peas. This is really the last of them. For the purple peas. I'm going to pull this thing up. The bugs took it out, really. So a lot of the peas did not even develop. We gotta get a lot of rain here in and I hope no tree falls on my head over here while I'm doing the mostest. See, they didn't even develop all the way. Even here, the bugs just sucked it out. Whatever was going to develop, it's the few peas in here. But look. So most of these I make it let dry. Let them dry and use them for next year. Huh? What? I need to come in. Why? Oh, with the trees gone. That's true. Because that tree broke. And any of those other trees can break. So you're right. I don't know what made that break. But okay, I'm coming in. Trying to get my walk in before this rain come down. It's been raining a little bit. But trying to get my walk in. But I'm not going all the way to that back. I'm just going to walk around it. Because I don't want no foolishness going on today. So I'm not going to the back area. I'm trying to keep it where I see people and where I can scream if I need to. So I'm staying in the front, not going to the back. Because there's not that many people out here. No. So, get this walk in. Somebody behind me running, somebody in the front of me walking. And that's how I like to keep it. So I got to get these 2 miles in and I'm gonna be done. Pass another one up. Hi. Yeah. Ooh, I made 2 miles, y'all. Woo! But I got a ways to go to my car. So it's gonna be over 2 miles. Woo! I decided to take the back way because people were walking back here. Woo! 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 I'm getting dizzy. So pretty. Put my Bible on the dash. I may need my Bible, y'all. Woo! 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 Okay, y'all. Where am I at? 155 heart rate. Get ready to bring it down because this is the last walk at 2.14 miles. Woo. Trying to get it in.